Kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly updates.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 29th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Our kindergarten through 12th grade yearbooks can be purchased for $40 online until Friday, May 6th. Yearbooks will continue to be available for purchase at both front desks until May 20th. Next week, May 2nd to 6th, is Teacher Appreciation Week. National Nurses Week is May 9th to 13th. Please help us show your teachers and nurses love and appreciation during these weeks. May 3rd is the Advanced Placement Psychology Exam and FSA reading for middle school. May 4th is the FSA reading test for middle school and high school. May 5th is the FSA reading test for high school. May 6th is Advanced Placement Exam for U.S. History. We are having an open house on May 14th for families new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. at the secondary campus. Please inform any friends or family that might be interested in sending their children to our school next year. May 20th is high school graduation, 6 p.m. at Santaluces High School. May 23rd is 5th grade moving up ceremony for Ms. Spiegel, Ms. Lubin, and Mr. Ward's classes. May 24th is 5th grade moving up for Mr. Thornton and Ms. Colavito's classes. May 25th is our kindergarten moving up ceremony. May 26th is middle school moving up ceremony, 6 o'clock p.m. at Santaluces High School. And May 26th is the last day of school. Form Fill-Out Day is July 27th, 8:30 to 1 p.m. for the elementary campus and July 28th, 8:30 till 1 p.m. for the secondary campus. Please come into the school to sign up for bus routes, shuttle, aftercare, free and reduced lunch, to order uniforms, and to fill out other very important school paperwork. And Kona Ice will be at the school from 10 to 1 each day. August 9th is Meet the Teacher at both campuses, and the first day of next school year will be August 10th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, PBMA families. Mr. Andropont here with a couple reminders. The first thing, next week is Teacher Appreciation Week. So remember last week I asked that if you were willing and able to do anything, to please get that to Mrs. Cooper or the front desk at any campus as soon as possible. We want to show our wonderful teachers here at PBMA an awesome week next week. Also, another reminder, parents, legal guardians, if you move during the school year, please contact the school and update your information. We have been known to look for parents for emergencies, and we can't find you because you moved or you got a new number and you didn't inform the school. Please take care of your business. Have a good day.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, the principal. I wanted to wish our students the best of luck as we resume FSA's testing next week. Make sure you put best your forth effort and remember everything your teachers taught you in preparation for these statewide assessments. Next week is also Teacher Appreciation Week. Teachers, I want you to know how much I appreciate everything you do, not only for PBMA, but for all of your students. You are truly, truly appreciated, and I appreciate all your hard work.
Hello, everyone. My name is Marie Turciaro. I'm the Executive Director at Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School, and I wanted to go over with you the middle and high school testing schedule for the rest of the year. We'll also be sending this home so that everybody's aware of what's happening. On May 3rd, we'll be having our AP, Advanced Placement, AP Psychology exam, and that's for high schoolers. Also on May 3rd, the middle school FSA ELA, English Language Arts, Session 1 will take place. On Wednesday, May 4th, we have middle school FSA ELA, English Language Arts, Section 2. And in high school, we have FSA ELA, Section 1. On Thursday, May 5th, high school FSA ELA, Session 2. On Friday the 6th, we have the AP Advanced Placement U.S. History exam. Moving on to the next week, May 9th, is the Middle School FSA Math Test, Session 1, along with Algebra 1 and Geometry EOC. And EOCs are state prepared end of course exams. On Tuesday the 10th, we have the Advanced Placement English, Language, and Composition exam. The middle school has FSA Math, 2 sessions, sessions 2 and 3, Algebra 1, and the Geometry EOCs, or end of course exams. A note for the 11th through the 16th, high school students need to take semester exams for courses that don't have EOCs or end of course state exams. Those final high school exams will take place on May 11th, from May 11th through May 16th. Please keep an eye out on Jupiter Ed. On the 12th, we have the AP Advanced Placement World History exam. Tuesday, May 17th, we have our FSA Science for grade 8 and our Biology end of course exam. On the 18th, we have the Civics end of course exam, and that's grade 7. We have the U.S. History end of course exam, and that's grade 11. On Friday the 20th, we have high school graduation. On Thursday the 26th, we have 8th grade graduation. The last day for students is Thursday, May 26th. So I realize that the testing schedule seems daunting, but please understand that the tests are required by the state, and we try to schedule them so that each single particular day isn't too much on the students. Please, please, please make sure they're well rested. Please, please, please make sure they have a good breakfast, or that they get to the bus on time, or that you bring them here on time so that they're able to have breakfast in school, which is offered free. We thank you for all of your cooperation. Students, we need you to concentrate. Parents, please tell your students they have a lot of knowledge, a lot of knowledge. They just have to read the question and answer the question and have confidence. Thank you for all of your support, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you.
Last week, I emailed parents a bus intent survey. Mr. Barone will use the information collected by the survey to create the best bus stops and routes for our PBMA families. Please make sure you fill out this survey if you are having your student ride the bus next school year. Ms. Dvorak is still looking for Career Day speakers for the morning of May 20th. Please send her an email if you have an interesting career you can share with our students. Kindergarten is learning about 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional shapes. Students created shapes using Play-Doh and sticks. Let's see what's happening in elementary art.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher in the art room at the elementary school campus, and I just wanted to share what we're doing this week and for the next couple of weeks. My students have been learning about mosaics, and so they have been creating their own masterpieces, making a mess while putting together all the pieces to make these beautiful pictures. They've been doing an awesome job, so check them out. Also, I wanted you to be aware that all their work will be coming home soon. We're winding it down, so keep a lookout in their backpacks for all their artwork so you can hang them up around your house and enjoy them all summer. Have a great day and see you soon.
Ms. Solorzano's second graders celebrated Earth Day by listening to an Earth Day read aloud and then created a fun art project in which they used their sketching skills and a paper folding technique. And finally, here are the secondary sharks of the week. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.